Hey everyone! Today we're building a student management mini-system from scratch using Python's object-oriented programming. This is a fantastic practice project because it covers all the core OOP concepts you need for interviews. We'll create a system that can add students, view them, update their marks, and delete them. Let's dive in. Let me show you how this system works. The user interacts with the student management class, which maintains a list of student objects. When you add a student, it creates a new student instance and appends it to the list. Viewing students loops through that list and displays each one. Updates and deletes search for the student by roll number and either modify their marks or remove them completely. Pretty straightforward, right? First, we create our student class. Notice the double underscore before marks. That's encapsulation in action, making marks private. We use getter and setter methods to access and modify it safely. The setter even validates that marks are between 0 and 100, preventing invalid data. The display method nicely formats the student info when we want to view it. Now for the student management class, which is basically our control center. It maintains a list of student objects and provides 4 key operations. Add student creates a new student and appends it. View students loops through and displays each one. Update marks searches by roll number and uses our safe setter method. Delete student finds and removes the student from the list. This is a classic example of managing a collection of objects. Let's see it in action. We create a student management instance and add 2 students, Ram and Sham. When we view them, both appear with their details. Then we update Ram's marks to 95, and delete Sham from the system. The final view shows only Ram with his updated marks. See how clean and intuitive this is? So what did we practice here? We used classes and objects to model real-world entities. We applied encapsulation to protect sensitive data with private variables. We managed a collection of objects using a list, which is super common in real applications. We added data validation to maintain integrity. And we implemented the complete CRUD pattern that you'll see in almost every application you build. Before we wrap up, here are some interview questions you should be ready for based on this project. Make sure you can explain the difference between classes and objects, how Python handles private variables with name mangling, and why we use getters and setters. To level up, explore class variables, static methods, abstract classes, and Python's magic methods. Now you've got a solid foundation in Python OOP. Great job, and happy coding!